guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing Python again, but today we're going to be drawing a square in Python. So yeah, let's start doing it. So we're going to start first. We gotta do first. We gotta do input pygame. Import pygame. And if I'm going too fast, you guys can also pause it. So yeah. So you guys can actually do the code and not watch the video 500 times. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get back to the project. Now we're gonna enter. You guys don't gotta do a space in between these things. So, but if you want it to be exactly the same as mine, you could put space if you wanted to. And now we're gonna do pygame.init. Pygame.init. Yeah. And if you guys are kind of angry because I don't upload that much, then yeah, we're sorry. I'm gonna upload more. And yeah. So pygame.init, we're gonna put an empty bracket in there too. So we're gonna put an empty bracket. Yeah. Enter. And then we're gonna do screen equals pygame.display. Screen equals pygame.display. And share this to all of your friends. So yeah, they can also watch these videos and learn. But if you're wondering, I'm doing this in Visual Studio Code, and I do not have a tutorial on how to download it. So you guys can just go search it up, because I don't have a tutorial on how to do it. So .set underscore .set underscore mode. And then we're gonna do this. Yeah, add two brackets. And then we're gonna do 400, 300. 400, 300. And then we're gonna answer. So there's gonna be different screen, and then on there it's gonna be in there it's gonna say that in there's gonna be a screen, and in the screen there's gonna be a cube, a square. Done equals false. So done equals false. Oops, I actually put capital letters. False. False. So enter. And you need false capitals, otherwise the game for some reason won't recognize it. And then your code's gonna go boom. So yeah, and then we're gonna do for event in pygame.event. For event in pygame. And if I'm going too fast, you guys can pause it. Because, yeah, if you guys, you can pause it if y'all think I'm going too fast. So, yeah, because you can pause it. and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's super important to do because it's super important. So we're gonna do a .event.get .event.get, and I'm gonna also do some Scratch videos later. Yeah, and I'm gonna probably start uploading a lot more, probably. But I'm probably only gonna upload a lot more only if they're Scratch. Yep. If event.type event.type type, and then equals to pygame.quit. Pygame.quit in capitals. Quit. Yeah, I quit this game. No, I don't actually quit this game. Yeah, but with coding you can make different games. And if you like making different games, so then coding is free. Done equals true. So it's true. So if I say done, it's true. Cool. But it's not real life, but it's in the code. So pygame.draw.rect. Pygame.draw.rect. Then we're gonna do screen right there, and then comma space another one 0, 107 yeah, comma, and this is the color. Yeah, you could put any number you want in here. Just it's gotta be lower than 255. Yeah. So yeah, it can be lower than 255. Anything, you can put anything you want. Just it's gotta be lower than 255. So yeah. And then we're gonna get out of this bracket. Get out of this bracket. And come up pygame. Direct. Rect. And then space bracket 30 comma 30 comma 60. Yeah. And then we're gonna get out of this bracket, and then we're gonna press enter, and then we're gonna do pygame. That's display.bit. Flip. Pygame. Display. Dot flip. And empty bracket. Yep. Let's play this. Oh, there's a project. Oh wait, true, I forgot. True needs also a capital letter at the beginning. Yeah, put a capital letter on true and you'll get something good. Like that. Yeah. Okay, so let's enter. Yeah? And what's going on? Huh? Oh wait. So where it is? Is it? Uh-huh. Oh no, I forgot. Enter. While not done. Okay, I think it's now done. What's wrong? 4. 4. 4. 4. You're supposed to be an E. Okay. Yahoo! I think it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's definitely gonna work now. Yeah? Well, that's unexpected. That's... As soon as I was gonna press X and I did press X, the cube came. Why? We're waiting. Because, yeah, you gotta wait a little bit. So, wait. As soon as I press this, it's gonna pop up. Yep, I told. You saw that tiny square? Why? Okay, but I'm gonna fix this. Okay, guys. So, I fixed it. Or, yeah, I fixed it. I put some stuff. Yeah, you can see over here. Yeah, it was a space. It says, yeah. Pygame 1, yeah, you see cube. Yeah, square. Even though square is not my favorite shape. I mean, no, square is my favorite shape. Yeah. And so, bye guys. See you next video. Bye.